And
And I'm Maggie.
this is Independent Development Plan, quarterly plan video for winter 2018. First, we want to talk about our project goals. And the goal of our project is to design and implement a system that will better support regular self-reflection so that students can improve their work processes and problem-solving skills. The motivation for this is the development of metacognitive skills has a positive effect on the development of work processes and one's problem-solving skills.
This quarter, in order to accomplish those project goals, we hope to iterate on our prototype to prepare it for the 10-week spring quarter study. So we're going to conduct user tests on the prototype and further refine our project design arguments. If successful, this would help end users by producing a system by which they can build self-directed learning skills. This would help others building off of our technology by giving technologists a tool to support student self-reflection and learning that can be generalized to other settings. And it would help researchers better understand how metacognitive reflection operates in irregularly structured learning environments. And we would support this with qualitative data from our user studies.
So our design goals for this project. We start off with our user problem, which is that students in the design process often struggle with self-directing their learning. This is a problem because it can lead to slower development of problem-solving skills as well as students falling behind on their progress. And our design argument is that by giving students the tools to become better at self-directed learning, we help them learn faster and in a more structured way. And our design process right now is basically the process we go through to refine our design arguments. So we start off by developing those, testing them, perhaps finding supporting literature, further refining the arguments, testing again, and then repeating that cycle. For this quarter, our timeline is pretty iterative. We start off with just learning from and iterating on our prototype from user tests from the end of fall 2017, and then we would deploy that next round of user tests at least by sprint 2, and then we would just keep repeating that cycle until we get to a point that we like. We'll be testing on DCR students, and then this prototype will be given out during SIG meetings, weekly SIG meetings.
In terms of technology, we hope that by the end of the quarter, our tech will allow students to reflect on their SIG meetings. We also want our prototype to show students the responses from past weeks in order to help them track their learning progress over time.
And for our research goals, this quarter we want to answer our first 2 research questions, which is how can we support self-reflection so that students can improve their work processes, and when and how often should reflection be prompted? These questions are important to focus on because in this phase, we're working on really just working out our design arguments and making sure they are strong for this quarter study, for the spring quarter study. Our hypothesis is that more frequent reflection will help students better track their learning progress and learn how to become stronger self-directed learners. And how will we confirm and reject this? We will track the learning progress of testers using our prototype to see if students are developing stronger problem-solving skills. All right, thank you.